unless you're extremely exhausted and you've created sleep debt, again, normally you need about an hour to transition into sleep. Well, we tend to think of our bedroom as a place where we want to bring the interior decorator in, and we like bold and bright colors, and we try to want to make it, even for our kids, a special environment and make it like a basketball court with with the lights, and we bring our computers and our electronics into our bedroom, and all of that really is the worst thing you could be doing to create a sleep environment that's going to help you get healthy sleep. The brain is looking for a safe, comfortable environment to sleep in. And so you really want to reduplicate what we've associated with calm and soothing colors and an environment that really just allows you to transition from all the activity of the day into sleep readiness. That the brain chemistry actually has to shift, and you need about an hour for that to occur. So I'll tell people, create a relaxing bedtime routine that actually really gives your brain a signal, this is time to start getting ready to go to bed. It takes a bit. Most people who start this, they feel a little anxious because it's hard letting go of those old habits that you really felt like you needed to cope with your day. Just the last BlackBerry message or the last text message, one more thing I have to do, really is getting in the way of you really performing at your peak for the next day. So put it all aside, get the clutter out of the room, make it calm, cool, and comfortable, and you'll find you'll be much more productive the following day.